to Kiseki. I'm Mio, the owner of this restaurant. We are authentic Japanese restaurant, and we also employ local single mom from the community to support and empower them. Today I want to introduce you our new service, online live Gyoza lesson. We deliver ingredients, everything to your home, and you can just join on Zoom. Then you can enjoy our Gyoza cooking lesson together on time.
Arigatou gozaimasu. In the package you will get flour, gyoza skin 20 pieces, 300 grams of vegetables that you will put inside gyoza skin, and the sauce you will use for enjoying your gyoza.
Yeah.